Hey everyone, you need a professional headshot for LinkedIn or Indeed or even more platforms like this or even for your own portfolio. So today I'm really excited, honestly speaking, that I'm going to show you AIEase and the free AI headshot generator. You can see free AI headshot generator. This tool can create stunning, beautiful, professional headshots and in seconds, within few seconds. And it is completely free, open source. So whether you are job hunting or you are going to upgrade your online presence, so this tool can be a game changer for you. So let's check it out and let me show you. So you need to first head over to this website and upload a photo of yourself. So get free AI headshots, and your picture doesn't need to be perfect, just a clear picture of your face it should be. So now you can see here we can choose style from these styles, or even like below you can see we have more styles here. So what I will do, like we can select this one for example, or this one, as anyone you want to try it. Now upload and upload a photo of yours, like this one. I have my own photo, and let me show you here. So this one photo, you can see selfie photo, and aspect ratio you can see like which ratio you want, and then click generate. You will be amazed at how realistic and polished they look, you know and see, incredible. It looks amazing, honestly speaking. So we can download it. For downloading you need to sign in, and you can click on sign up process, and here you can type your email and then your password here and get code. So the code will appear, and we need to enter code here. So once you give code, so the file will download here, and you can see it is downloaded. So if we open it, so you can see, now choose style. If we go back to choose style, so we can select, choose your water style like this. So it's up to you, anyone you can select. You can try this one. So upload and this, and click on generate. And you can see here like it's amazing, honestly speaking. It's very good. See, so it looks good, it looks nice now, and I can download this one. Okay, so try this at your home if you really want, if you really need an AI headshot generator. So see, we try one more, for example this one. As I told you that if you want to even to change your look, enhance, if you want to enhance your look, if you need for LinkedIn, definitely we will select previous one. But if you want something, just for fun, and you want to enjoy this AI tool, so you can use these types of examples also, creative examples. So this will generate incredible result, and see, it looks amazing. So this one, the tool, as I told you, you can instantly transform your selfies into professional quality headshots, and you can choose from different styles and backgrounds to match your personal brand. It's free and fast and perfect for any platforms, including LinkedIn, Indeed, or your portfolio. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Share the video with your friends and also press the bell icon so you will get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.